Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove credit and debit card information from Apple ID. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. Open the settings app on your iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch and tap on the Apple ID and tap on payment and shipping. You can see appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. You can see appears on screen method, remove payment method, confirm to remove. If not working, simply tap on edit, tap on remove and tap on remove. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to remove payment method from Apple ID on iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. That's it. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.